Do you know how to use the third form of verbs in English? It is called the past participle and it's used in many tenses like present perfect, past perfect, and passive voice. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel English Talks. This is English Talks and today we will quickly learn about past participle, what it is and how to use it. The past participle is the third form of the verb, and to make it in regular verbs we add ed like play becomes played, and in irregular verbs it has a different form like go, and the third form is gone, or eat becomes eaten in third form. It's used in number 1 perfect tenses, I have eaten breakfast, she had gone to school. Number 2 passive voices, the book was written by him, the cake was baked yesterday. I have another video for passive voices and you can watch if you don't know the passive voices. Again, examples for past participle. I have seen that movie before, or they had finished their homework before dinner, or the letter was sent yesterday. Quick tip, guys. You always need have, has, and had in perfect tenses and to be, is, was, were in passive sentences when using past participle. Okay guys, if this lesson was helpful, please do like, subscribe, share and hit the bell to give me more energy to make more lessons, and let's go to practice this lesson together. Please make sentences using the past participle of these verbs. Try to use one in perfect tense and one in passive sentence. Write your answers in the comments. Great! Now you know what the past participle is, how to use it in perfect tenses and passive voice. Thanks for watching guys, and see you next time on English Talks.